Lachlan Kenya Limited deals in agrochemicals, botanicals, and special fertilizers. In the not so recent past, we at Lachlan Kenya Limited have agonized over the farmers' loss of drive towards farming due to the vagaries of adverse weather, especially drought, that renders their farming efforts worthless due to loss of crop yields and hard-earned money used in the land preparation and farm inputs. This has put the country's food security at a great risk, especially now that drought is becoming a trend rather than an occasional calamity. We are here to show you today what you can achieve with Lachlan's product regime on your crops. And today we'll talk about potatoes that you can see behind me. This is a trial done at Kinangop to see if potatoes really can achieve higher yields without using DAP fertilizer, and effects of Lachlan seed dressings and foliar sprays of Impaction CA, Impaction K, Vitazim, Twin N, and Aton A to Z. And then again, to see if early blight and late blight are fully controlled using Dithen M45 and Codicide. Land preparation was done the normal way, with a disc plow done once and then harrowed twice. Potato seed tubers were planted in lines in holes of approximately 10 centimeters deep and were left uncovered. Then a knapsack drench was used with the nozzle removed. In a 20-liter knapsack, 10 grams of Ecot was used, 50 grams of turboseed, and 20 mils of Vitazim. The Ecot is a trichoderma that stops the spread of early blight and late blight on the tubers. Then this mix was drenched directly onto each potato. A team was directly behind the sprayer covering the holes with soil to stop Ecot from direct sunlight. Because if you leave Ecot exposed in direct sunlight, it kills the fungus. Once potato plants were at first through leaf stage, 50 kilos of NPK 1717 was applied at 50 kilos per acre. Then every 2 weeks, that is from the 12th of November, 1 month from the planting date, Impaction CA 200 mils, Impaction K 100 mils, and 100 mils of Vitazim per knapsack of 20 liters was applied. Thus, 4 applications have been applied so far. Then Dithen M45 at 100 grams per 20 liter knapsack was used, together with Codicide oil at 100 mils in 20 liter knapsack on the Lachlan's program side. 3 applications have been made so far. Then on the standard operation procedure side, Dithen alone was used at 100 grams in 20 liter knapsack, and 3 applications also have been done so far. We have seen an incredible stand with an excellent growth in foliage. Let me show you. What I have here are 2 sticks measuring 100 centimeters each to show you the canopy size of the standard operation procedure crop and the Lachlan's regime crop. This is a potato crop where we've used our Lachlan products on. I'll use this stick to show you the canopy height. This is a standard operation procedure potato crop. I'll use one of the sticks again to show you the crop canopy. It is clearly seen with dark green foliage that the impaction range has been supplying enough nitrogen to the crop together with the NPK top dressing. But of most important to note has been the effect of Ecot seed dressing with Dithen M45 mixed with Codicide oil as a foliar spray. The farm trials since planting have had over 300 mils of rainfall on the potato crop. This, in normal circumstances, would see a huge pressure from early and late blights. But surprisingly, to date, no blight has been observed on the Lachlan's spray program. But on the standard operation procedure, you see specks of early and late blight on the leaves. In conclusion, this is what you get. With the normal fertilization, this is what you get of the crop, and you can see clearly there are signs of potato blight. And a small crop leans to small tubers. And on Lachlan's biological fertilization, this is what you get. A huge crop without any blight and huge potatoes. This is what you get, and this is what you want.